For my first entry, I chose to write about Virginia Beach because I had the opportunity to travel there for a service trip and just found the area to be pretty interesting. So Virginia Beach and really the entire U.S. Atlantic coastline face quite a few threats with climate change. First, the beach faces an increased amount of devastating tropical storms. Tropical cyclones are expected to increase in global intensity, precipitation rate, and frequency according to the IPCC AR5 consensus. These cyclones are caused by several natural factors, including ocean circulation changes, volcanic eruptions, and Saharan dust outbreaks. But there is also a factor of external forcing by greenhouse gases and surface aerosols. Furthermore, there is generally a broad agreement that humans have had an impact on the oceanic and atmospheric changes, and there is also general agreement that these have been a factor in the increased hurricane activity. Virginia Beach is extremely vulnerable to hurricanes and tropical storms, and unfortunately, most projections show an increase in hurricane intensity into the future, caused by warmer waters due to global warming on the whole. Furthermore, current global climate models, the CMIP5, predict increased extratropical cyclone frequency over the U.S. Atlantic coast. As we well know, hurricanes and cyclones can really devastate Virginia Beach with flooding and wind speeds, causing extreme damage to both people and infrastructure. Virginia Beach has had trouble with storms many times in the past, and the continued effect of global warming will result in more evacuation, displacement, and perhaps a retreat of population from the beach inland. One of the main solutions to solving this problem and preserving the cities on the Atlantic coast is to reduce the human greenhouse effect we are giving off globally. If we can put a stop to the trend in global warming, there will not be an increase in ocean temperature, and thus no increase in tropical storms within human control. Natural factors can and will still cause tropical storms, but the frequency and intensity of these storms would no longer be expected to increase.